Welcome back. So now it's your chance to give if-else statements a go with a mini challenge. It's quite a simple challenge if you understood the last few videos. However, it gives you the chance to type away on your own without watching me. And that way it should stick in your memory a bit better. So just duplicate the last video on else if statements. And then this is number 3. And the mini challenge is going to be called age checker. And then open that up in your text editor. Drag in the folder. And then open up the index page. Change the title to age checker. And then delete this code off there so we don't cheat. Okay, so this is fairly straightforward. All I want you to do is to create a few variables. One for a minimum age and one for your current age, and then create an if-else statement just like we used in the last video, and then do a couple of checks. First of all, to check if your age is below the minimum age, and then create a message to the browser, something such as please come back when you're 18, and then a couple more conditions such as if you're old enough or if you're a certain age to check your identification. So we'll give that a go. It just uses things that we've learned in the last video. There's nothing extra there you need to try to research or Google. So try that and see how you get on. If you do get stuck or if you don't feel confident enough to try this yet, just follow along with me. So I'm going to create a variable of minimum age, and I'm going to set that to 18. And then a variable which is your age, and this is going to be 15 for example. And then create your if statement below. If you prefer to lay this all out empty first, just to make sure you've got everything in the right place, just like this, it can be useful just to make sure you don't miss any braces or brackets. Okay, so first of all, we want to check if you're underage. So we'll check the variable your age. So if your age is less than the minimum age, we'll create a message to the user with a document right. So inside the brackets, sorry, please come back when you are 18. So then I'm going to create a else if statement. So I'm going to check if your age is 25 or under, and then create a message to supply some identification. So if your current age is greater than or equal to 18, and then the 2 ampersand symbols to also check the second condition. So then your age is less than or equal to 25. Well, actually that wants to be a greater than symbol. So if you're over 18 but under 25, we'll create a new message to supply some identification. So this time the message is please supply identification. So we've got all conditions met there up until the user is equal to 25. So the else statement at the end provides the fallback if the user is over 25. So in that case, we'll just create a document right, just allowing the user to enter. So please enter, and then save that. So let's test this in the browser and see if this all works. So currently the user is underage. So we should get the sorry message from the if statement, which we do. Sorry, please come back when you are 18. So if the user now is between 18 and 25, we should get the please supply identification message. And then lastly, if the user is over 25, they should be allowed to enter the website. So refresh, and there we go. So we get the final message of please enter. So well done if you managed to do that on your own. If it was something you did struggle with, don't worry. Now you followed along with me, maybe just give it a day or two and try that again yourself and see if you can work it out next time. But for now, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.